Page 66, Trepak, or Trepak, or however you want to pronounce it, I don't care. It's from a suite, Tchaikovsky, done Christmas time all over everywhere. It's a very famous melody. It's a lot of fun. A bit challenging, mainly because it's fast, but we'll come back to fast. Right now, let's go slow. 4/4 time, we're still in the key of G major. Make sure you can do the G major scale, because all the F's are going to be sharped here automatically, plus a few other sharps too. Right hand first, let's check the notes in the fingering. You're starting up here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then cross over. We just changed hand positions. In the measure 3, it's a 2 and then a 3. We changed hand positions again. They want here. I prefer to use second finger on black keys. When I'm doing this sort of thing, and there's black keys involved, I like to use second finger on the black keys. Keep the thumb out here and the hand out here. So I'm going to use second finger on the F sharp on measure 6. Here. You can use second finger again if you want, or you can use third. It's up to you. I just don't like coming. I mean, you can if you want to. There's nothing wrong with it. So it's a measure 5 is. I'm just going to do that. And then you lift back up measure 9, back up here and do it again. That's pretty much the piece. And at the end, you just reach up 2, 3. Actually, I prefer third, because then at the last measure, the chord is actually this. We're not using the B. So the third finger is on that note. That's the note I would use here rather than 2. Now there are other fingerings we could use in this right hand, but this fingering is fine. That's all right. Left hand, well, you got the chords. You got the one chord, and then for measure 5, half notes. Just connect them. We'll put in the staccatos later. So much for the left hand. Put them together here. And again. Not too bad, I hope. And then half note here. Here. That's pretty much the piece, because page 67 is almost identical, except for the very end. So get the hands working, and then get rid of the hesitations, and then we'll think about the articulation. We have accents and staccatos. At the beginning, accents just on the keys and bouncing off. Plus the staccato, you play it a little louder. And staccato. Slur. Connect this. This has to be in contrast to what we had before. At first it was bouncy. And this is smooth. It's important that we have that. So at measure 5, you're connected. And then staccato. Accents and staccatos. I don't know that you need accents on these notes on measure 8 or not. Just plain staccato. I'll come back to talk about that a little more later. Then at the end, the last measure, staccato and accent again. Okay. Dynamics applied to the right hand here. Loud. The accent is going to make that one note very loud. And then soft. In measure 6, you're going to crescendo up just a little bit to moderately loud. And then, see, I have problems here. They have a moderately loud here, plus accents. The accents take it up a notch on the piano. Now it's going to be loud. So you're going to go from soft to loud. Measure 6, soft. Moderately soft. Moderately loud. Loud. Basically is how you do. You figure it out. Save most of your crescendo toward the end of it, though. So it's soft. And then very loud and loud. Loud. So the accent and notes just take it up a notch, is all that does. Speed, this is the trick. It's a fast piece, but it has to be accurate. So how fast can you play that? However fast you can play that accurately, that's how fast you could go. If you listen to the recordings of it, they go nuts. So you don't have to go nuts. Just play it accurately. That's my lively and all that. Yours. That's fine. That's it. That's it. If that's your lively, great. Accuracy is more important, so you have to decide on your lively. Maybe this Christmas you'll take it a little slower, and my next Christmas you play it again, you can take it a little faster. It works out that way too. I'd like to play it with you very slowly. Let's check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do any dynamics. I will do the accents and the staccatos. So I'll give us 4 counts. Let's just do it very slowly together. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest.